Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today I'll be showing you guys my pregnancy skincare routine. As you've seen, I just have cotton and I'll be going in with my Garnier micellar cleansing water in oil. I love it because it doesn't leave my skin dry. I'll just be using that to clean any makeup, any residue from overnight. My face is not particularly dirty, but this is the first step I do when it comes to cleansing my skin. If you've not subscribed to my channel, go right ahead, click that button. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. As you can see, I was quite surprised with the dirt. The next thing I do is I grab my Vanity Planet brush set. I'll be using the exfoliating head. It comes with 3 heads, but for today I'll be using the exfoliating head. And then I grab my cleanser from the Face Shop. Is the lemon foaming cleanser. It's quite mild on my skin and I love it. A little goes a long way. Like, you don't need a lot basically, and it foams pretty good. And yeah, I've just been loving it. It's gentle, it's not too harsh, especially as I'm currently pregnant, so my skin is really on the sensitive side right now. So I wet the brush and I go in on my face. I'll just be cleaning my face to make sure that I maintain that glow. Yes, there's the pregnancy glow. I get it, but you've got to maintain it as well. So part of it is to exfoliate properly. You've got to clean your face, make sure you're removing all the dirt that is on your face. I was clearly excited filming this video. At this point, I just go ahead and I rinse the brush and I rinse my face as well. If you use lukewarm water like me, let me know in the comment section. Or if you use cold water, or if you prefer hot water, just let me know. But I, for one, I use lukewarm water. I'll go ahead with my face towel. I use a particular towel only for my face. I think you guys should do that as well. I wet it before going with it on my face, just to make sure it's not harsh. This towel is really soft, but I still wet it just to make sure it leaves my face damp, as I don't want to dry off all the water that I used to rinse my face. So the next thing that I go in with, I still get a cotton. I got this from a Korean brand, Mumuso. A lot of cotton. I've been using this for like 2-3 months. Then I grabbed my Pixie Glow toner. This is my favorite toner in the entire world, people. It leaves my skin glowy. It's really amazing. It exfoliates my skin as well, and I've been using it throughout my pregnancy also. So that's what I go in with, just to restore the pH balance of my skin. I've been cleansing, exfoliating and all of that. I just need to restore my skin's pH balance. And of course, I always remember to go in on my neck and around my hairline. Sometimes dirt hides around our hairline. So yeah, don't forget your ears as well. Again, there was still some dirt and I was quite surprised. At this point, if you've not given this video a big thumbs up, please do. This helps me know what type of videos you guys enjoy on my channel. And the next thing I do is to grab my Jeju aloe vera gel from the Face Shop again. This thing is the bomb. This thing is bomb.com. I use it sometimes to soothe my irritated stomach when it's dry and itchy, and I also use it on my face as well. I just go in with this gel prior to using my moisturizer, and I absolutely love it. It is 99% aloe vera. I wouldn't know where to get the real aloe vera plant in Dubai, so this is what makes up for it basically. So I just let my skin soak all of it in, and then I grab my shea butter, my raw shea butter from Sharifa Republic, which I'm almost out of it, by the way. That is the moisturizer I use for my face, guys. My face is really sensitive and very dry during my pregnancy, so I use something extra hydrating, and shea butter has been doing it for me. Shea butter from Ghana, basically, to be more precise, from Ghana. Okay, so that's what I use to moisturize my face, to leave it moisturized but not feeling oily. This, like I said, this has been working for me. I don't know about you. So yeah, I remember to always go in on my neck again. Don't forget your neck, people. So that's it. That's what I do for my skincare routine. As you can notice, I skip the mask. I usually use a mask, but I'm pregnant right now, so I have to be careful with the ingredients I use. If you've enjoyed watching this video, give it a big thumbs up and see you guys in the next one. Bye.